Looking for a retrofit solution for your existing roof? A re-ply roofing system from Barrier may be the perfect solution. First, we pressure wash and prepare the surface. Then apply a primer. Since seams around vents, ducts, and flashing are often weak spots for moisture penetration, we reinforce them with high tensile strength fabric and a heavy-duty sealant. At this point, we apply 2 layers of the sealer to the entire roof, forming a seamless waterproof membrane. Next, we flow on the core layer, which bonds with the sealer to form a strong, impenetrable base for the final layer, a highly reflective surface that deflects heat, repels moisture, and resists corrosion. With a re-ply system from Barrier, your roof will be long-lasting, leak-proof, and energy efficient.